Looking for the best indoor grills to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 5. DeLonghi Perfecto Indoor Grill. This grill gives you consistent results every time, thanks to its fully embedded heating element. The special W-shaped design spreads heat evenly across the surface, so you don't get hot or cold spots. The large non-stick grill plate has plenty of space to cook multiple foods at once, and the tempered glass lid helps lock in moisture and keep your food warm. With 1,500 watts of power, it heats up fast and can reach up to 470 degrees Fahrenheit. The removable, adjustable thermostat lets you set the exact temperature you need for perfect cooking. Cleaning is simple because of the non-stick surface and removable drip tray. You can cook a wide range of foods, from meats to veggies, and it always delivers good results. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for indoor use, especially if you don't have outdoor space or want to grill during bad weather. Number 4. Ninja GR101. The Ninja GR101 Sizzle Smokeless Indoor Grill stands out for its versatility and ease of use. It features two interchangeable plates, a grill plate and a flat plate, allowing for a variety of cooking styles, from char-grilled steaks to fluffy pancakes. The grill can reach temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius, ensuring authentic char-grill marks and even cooking across the entire surface. One of its key benefits is the low smoke design, which makes it ideal for indoor use without triggering smoke alarms. The non-stick plates and detachable, dishwasher-safe lids simplify cleanup, while the grease catch tray minimizes mess. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to store and transport, perfect for small kitchens or those without outdoor grilling space. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 25361. The Hamilton Beach 25361 electric indoor searing grill offers an impressive 450 degrees Fahrenheit searing temperature, perfect for locking in juices and flavor. This versatile appliance brings outdoor grilling indoors, allowing year-round enjoyment of grilled foods regardless of weather conditions. The adjustable temperature control, ranging from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, accommodates various cooking needs, from delicate seafood to hearty steaks. I appreciate the non-stick ceramic coating on the grilling plate, which prevents food from sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. The viewing window in the lid is a thoughtful addition, allowing me to monitor food without lifting the cover. The extra-large drip tray effectively catches juices, reducing mess. With its compact size and dishwasher-safe removable parts, this grill is both convenient and easy to maintain. Number 2. Mueller UltraGourmet Indoor Grill. The Mueller UltraGourmet Indoor Grill excels with its versatile 2-in-1 cooking plate, offering both grilling and griddle capabilities. This feature allows you to grill meats and vegetables on one side while cooking eggs or pancakes on the other, making it a highly functional addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features is its smokeless operation, which ensures that your indoor cooking experience is clean and pleasant. The grill is equipped with a powerful 1000 W heating element, providing quick and even heating across the entire surface. The adjustable temperature dial, with settings ranging from 240 degrees Fahrenheit to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, allows for precise cooking control, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every time. The non-stick surface is another significant advantage, as it requires little to no oil, promoting healthier cooking. It also simplifies the cleaning process, as food residues do not stick to the grill. The removable grill plate and extra-large grease tray further enhance the ease of cleaning, making maintenance a breeze. Safety and convenience are also prioritized with cool touch handles and a base that remains safe to touch during operation. The compact and lightweight design of the grill, measuring 17.5 inch by 11 inch x 2.8 inch, makes it easy to store and transport, adding to its practicality. Number 1. Ninja DG551. The Ninja DG551 Footy Smart XL 6-in-1 Indoor Grill is a versatile powerhouse that brings outdoor grilling convenience to your kitchen. This sleek appliance offers 6 cooking functions: grill, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate, making it a true all-in-one cooking solution. The standout feature is its smart cook system with a built-in thermometer. It offers 4 protein settings and 9 customizable doneness levels, ensuring perfect results from rare to well done at the touch of a button. The cyclonic grilling technology uses 500 degrees Fahrenheit hot air and a 500 degrees Fahrenheit grill grate to achieve authentic char-grilled marks and flavors. I found the XL capacity impressive, easily accommodating 6 steaks or up to 24 hot dogs at once. The air frying function delivers crispy results with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. The smoke control system, combining temperature-controlled grill grate, splatter shield, and cool air zone, effectively minimizes smoke production. Performance-wise, the DG551 excels in cooking speed and consistency. It handles both fresh and frozen foods with ease, producing perfectly charred meats and crispy vegetables. The non-stick surfaces and dishwasher-safe removable parts make cleanup a breeze. So that sums up my top 5 indoor grills I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.